Hello, so I thought I'd have a look and see what it looks like inside a Carcoon, and here we are. Obviously the car's here. We've got a couple of fans which they look pretty much the same as you get inside a PC or a server or something. And you've got these zips that you can open to let a bit more airflow if you like. It's nearly fully inflated, but you can see it's a double skin thing. You've got these little points here, the red slits, where the air ventilates and keeps the double skin thing going. Plenty of room around the vehicle. And that's about it. I just run a power line, comes through there, keeps the battery topped up. But so far through the winter it's done a good job. The snow managed to collapse it yesterday, but absolutely no harm done to the car, and so far it's been a great product.